I am unlocking these window grills that haven't been unlocked in 19 years. Here's the full story. I love nature. I love gardens. I lived by a waterfall before. I enjoy a beautiful beach. So what if we bring that feeling back home, back into my childhood bedroom and show enough love to the places that I'm allowed to do so, no matter the stay is long or short. I've done it before, but we welcome more explorations and bolder choices this time, or maybe I shall say every time, at different life stages, I suppose. Also, I really enjoy creating art at this corner because of the view with the trees, the villages, and my primary school out there. I thank the window grills that have been protecting me. I thank my parents for being so considerate, and I'm grateful of them to trust me for looking after myself as I finally get the keys. I thank the world wholeheartedly. And here's the moment we all have been waiting for. Oh my goodness! This thing is being locked since I was like 6 years old. It's kind of rusty. All portals of nature are always wide open, and I'm grateful of discovering them, however small, however far, and however different it would be from our expectations. Have you found yours? And do you mind sharing with me? Thanks with love.